How's it going? It's 220 Prepper, and I got a video today. So please excuse me, I'm currently getting over something and I kind of lost my voice. But I got this in, so I wanted to make a quick unboxing and first look video. So what I have here is the Tacticon Armament. This is actually a weapon-mounted light for your handguns. The Battle Torch V1. Hopefully that's coming across properly. So when you open it, registration info, good to have. Instructor's manual. 400 lumens, supposed to work for 60 minutes. Ambidextrous switch. USB charger, 3 different mounting holes, dual functions. Alright, so we have the charger itself. So it's got the magnetic USB charger. That's always useful. Oh, so here's the screw to mount it to your firearm. A wall adapter. And of course, the light itself. Ooh, bumped the whole table, I'm sorry. Alright, so as you can see, it's Tacticon. Here are your lighting features. Wow, that is very bright. Sorry, I definitely should have said strobe warning on that. So yeah, this actually looks pretty good, and I cannot wait to put it on my system, on one of my weapon systems, to see how it works. So I have a video on that coming up soon, but for right now, there's a USB charging port there. For right now, I just wanted to go ahead and get this unboxing because I literally got it in about 5 minutes ago. But that's actually very nice. I like that it comes somewhat charged. Standby time of about 3 years. It's actually pretty good. It's got a nice little sticker on there to give you the parameters. Very, very nice. And of course the mounting gives a nice audible click so you know that it's charging. I like that. Alright, but in the meantime, this is 220 Prepper and I am signing off.